I think we've got a bit of a different business model ourselves, so we don't have to build loads of factories ourselves in order to achieve that scale. So really we're going out to the market, we're providing a very clear differentiated technology, one which has got manufacturability at its very heart. But I think globally a lot of companies are looking at where this industry is going, the energy transition industry is going. They're seeing certain markets drop away, such as the diesel industry, automotive technologies, but also oil and gas process industries. And they're looking at new technologies which they can add to their technology portfolios really, to then start filling that gap in their business models and their business cases. So I do see that as really driving some of the scale actually is companies looking around for new technologies to add to their portfolio, and really we're getting that interest from right around the world at the moment to spread our technology at scale into their manufacturing. Talking about scale, I mean obviously there's a whole supply chain required, so you need organizations who are making the core technology, the cell stack and modules, but then really rolling that out onto plants and integrating. I mean, I think our particular technology needs to be integrated with industrial processes. So getting those projects stood up, I think convincing people of the reliability of the technology is really important too. I think with any new nascent technology, you've got to not only have it at scale, but you've got to be convinced it's a good business bet as well. I think that there's a huge interest now. There's a lot of push in this direction. It is somewhat a difficult market at the moment. The market conditions for raising funds for projects. I think being a licensing company acting on the international stage, I think we certainly have been looking at opportunities where those conditions are really favourable. So the US now, I think projects there are getting funded well through the era. I think Europe, the IPCEI funding is interesting too, and I think that's certainly incentivizing certain companies in Europe to take up opportunities, think about scaling up projects in those particular areas as well. All these events are fantastic actually. I think talking about hydrogen, the technology, the market, getting people talking and connecting on this particular topic is really important. I mean, all this business is all around connections, finding those opportunities and exploring them really in an open forum. So I think, yeah, this event is great for that sort of thing.